In today's health-conscious society, the quest for optimal nutrition and overall wellness has led many individuals to explore the potent benefits of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s, renowned for their crucial role in supporting heart health, cognitive function, and inflammation management, have garnered widespread attention from both health professionals and individuals seeking to enhance their dietary choices. Amid this nutritional landscape, one ingredient stands out as a powerhouse of omega-3s: chia seeds. Despite their diminutive size, chia seeds pack a remarkable nutritional punch, offering an impressive array of essential nutrients, with particular emphasis on their omega-3 content. As we delve into the realm of functional foods and superfoods, chia seeds emerge as a compelling and versatile source of omega-3 fatty acids, positioning themselves as a valuable addition to a balanced and health-conscious diet. In this video, we embark on an enlightening journey to uncover the intrinsic potential of chia seeds and their remarkable omega-3 content. Through a comprehensive exploration of their nutritional profile, culinary applications, and broader implications for dietary well-being, we seek to unveil the multifaceted allure of chia seeds as a dietary staple. Join us as we navigate the intricate realm of nutritional science and culinary creativity, celebrating the humble chia seed as a veritable treasure trove of wellness-enhancing omega-3 fatty acids. Prepare to be enlightened, inspired, and empowered as we unravel the compelling narrative of chia seeds and their pivotal role in fostering a culture of holistic nourishment and optimal health. What are omega-3s? Omega-3 fatty acids have secured their reputation as the unsung heroes of our well-being, playing a multifaceted role in shaping our physical and mental resilience across the lifespan. While the term fatty acids may seem somewhat intimidating, these remarkable compounds have captivated the attention of researchers, health professionals, and individuals seeking comprehensive wellness. At their core, omega-3s represent a category of dietary fats renowned for their extraordinary capacity to bolster our health from within. Within this category, three primary omega-3 superstars, eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, and alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, integrate seamlessly into the intricate tapestry of our physiology, manifesting their profound influence across diverse biological domains. One of their most celebrated domains of impact rests within the realm of cardiovascular fortitude. Omega-3s exemplify their prowess by fortifying the cardiovascular milieu, refining our lipid profiles, and extending a protective embrace over our vital cardiac domain. Through these mechanisms, they foster an environment of cardiovascular resilience, effectively navigating the currents of heart health and longevity. In the landscape of cognitive vigor, omega-3s emerge as stalwart allies, catalyzing cognitive fortitude and neurological well-being. Their presence furnishes the neural terrain with a spectrum of benefits, ranging from fostering synaptic plasticity to tempering inflammation within the brain, ultimately nurturing a climate conducive to sustained cognitive acuity and clarity. Furthermore, the anti-inflammatory propensity of omega-3s assumes paramount significance, exerting a calming influence upon the tempestuous undercurrents of systemic inflammation. This characteristic endows omega-3s with the capacity to cultivate an environment of equilibrium and vitality, harmonizing the body's internal dynamics with a palpable sense of balance. The journey to comprehend omega-3 fatty acids unfolds as an odyssey of discovering their integral significance in safeguarding our foundational well-being. In traversing this realm, the incorporation of chia seeds into our dietary repertoire beckons as an avenue earmarked for comprehensive nourishment. Chia seeds as a source of omega-3s. Let's talk about chia seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with something really special called omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are like the secret sauce that makes chia seeds so good for us. First off, chia seeds are like little treasure troves of all the good stuff our bodies need. They're full of omega-3 fatty acids, which are like little helpers that keep our hearts healthy, our brains sharp, and help our bodies calm down when needed. When we eat chia seeds, we get a big boost of omega-3s, which are famous for taking care of our hearts. They make sure our hearts stay strong and healthy, so we can keep running, playing, and having fun every day without any worries. But that's not all. Chia seeds also look after our brains. Omega-3s in chia seeds are like brain boosters that help us think, learn, and remember things better. They make our brains work like supercomputers, always ready to solve any puzzle or problem that comes our way. And when we get a little ouchie, or something hurts, the omega-3s in chia seeds can help our bodies feel better by calming down any soreness. It's like having good, kind friends inside our bodies that always want to make us feel good. So, chia seeds with their omega-3 superpowers are like tiny superheroes that help our hearts, brains, and bodies stay healthy and strong. It's amazing how something so small can do so much to keep us feeling great. Incorporating chia seeds into the diet. One of the simplest and most popular ways to enjoy chia seeds is by mixing them into delicious and refreshing smoothies. Whether it's a fruity blend or a creamy concoction, adding a spoonful of chia seeds not only elevates the texture but also introduces a wholesome dose of omega-3s to supercharge your drink. Oatmeal and chia seeds make for a dynamic duo when combined in a hearty breakfast bowl. Sprinkling chia seeds onto your morning oatmeal adds a delightful crunch and a nutritional boost, making it a nutrient-packed way to kickstart your day. For those who relish fresh, vibrant salads, chia seeds are a fantastic addition to create a delightful crunch while introducing a subtle nutty flavor. Their versatility allows them to seamlessly complement a variety of leafy greens, colorful vegetables, and zesty dressings, creating a wholesome salad experience. Chia seeds have also emerged as star players in the realm of baking and dessert making. From wholesome chia seed puddings to delectable chia-enriched baked goods, these tiny seeds add a nutrient-rich element and a delightful texture to an array of sweet treats. Their unique ability to absorb moisture also makes chia seeds an excellent substitute for eggs in certain recipes, particularly for those seeking plant-based or egg-free alternatives in their baking endeavors. The intriguing nature of chia seeds is further exemplified when they are integrated into savory dishes such as casseroles, stir-fries, and even homemade veggie burgers. Their understated yet distinctive crunch and nutritional density make them a versatile and welcome addition to a myriad of culinary creations. By celebrating the culinary prowess of chia seeds, we unlock an enchanting world of possibilities, seamlessly integrating these nutritional powerhouses into a spectrum of culinary creations. Embracing their versatility not only enhances the sensory experience of our meals but also ensures that we harness the profound nutritional benefits they offer. Incorporating chia seeds into our diets becomes a delightful exercise in unleashing our culinary creativity while fortifying our meals with a splendid array of essential nutrients. It's truly remarkable how such unassuming seeds can infuse such vibrancy and nutritional richness into our daily culinary adventures. As we come to the end of our journey into the world of chia seeds, we can't help but feel amazed by all the wonderful things we've learned. Chia seeds are like tiny superheroes that bring so much goodness to our meals and our bodies. We've discovered that chia seeds are not just tiny, they're mighty too. They're like little magicians that can make our smoothies, oatmeal, and even our salads so much tastier and healthier. It's like they have a special power to make our food extra special and good for us. Chia seeds are full of something called omega-3 fatty acids, which are like secret agents that help our hearts stay strong, our brains work better, and even help our bodies feel better when they're not happy. It's amazing to know that these tiny seeds can do so much good for us. So as we finish our journey, let's keep celebrating the wonder of chia seeds. Let's remember to thank them for all the ways they make our meals delicious and healthy. And most importantly, let's remember to enjoy them in our meals as often as we can, knowing that they're bringing so much goodness to our bodies. As we say goodbye to our adventure with chia seeds, let's keep the excitement and joy of what we've discovered close to our hearts. We can continue to make our meals more special and nutritious by sharing the goodness of chia seeds with family and friends. Chia seeds have taught us so much about celebrating the simple joys of food and the incredible impact it can have on our bodies. Let's carry this wisdom with us and continue to appreciate the wonderful gift of nourishing food every day.